Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Movies Wiki. Hope you all are fine. In today's video, we will talk about the Hindi web series Asur, and I will tell you about 5 reasons to watch it right now. So let's start off. So let's first start off with a bit of description about the series. Let's start. Set in the mystical backdrop of a city in Varanasi, Asur is a 2020 Indian Hindi language web series directed by Oni Sen, where an extraordinary boy having a tremendous knowledge about mythology and science. The boy since his birth named Shud, played by Vishesh Bansal, who gets into criminal records due to an injustice which was done to him when he was a juvenile. This series involves vicious murders and two very knowledgeable forensic experts and science department of the Crime Bureau of Investigation, Dhananjay Rajput played by Arshad Varsi and Nikhil Nair played by Barun Sopti, set into exploring and investigating these events and finding out the serial killer. The web series Asur, premiered on Voot, is a perfect blend of science, mythology, and forensics, and it is also a perfect watch for you and your family during this isolation period. So make sure you watch it if you are a fan of even one of them. Now let's come to the 5 reasons that why you should watch Asur. Let's start. Number 1, a brilliant premise. The web series Asur, which has a brilliant storyline and a mind-blowing concept of mythology and science, in which the serial killer is a brilliant mastermind with a tremendous IQ level who can plan murders as well as can execute them like a professional. The boy is set on a revenge for the misdeeds done to him when he was a juvenile. Then a forensic expert and a science expert officer sets on an expedition to solve the murder mysteries and catch the serial killer in any way if it also requires breaking and twisting of the law and tricking the killer in terms of mythology and science. Number 2, a blend of mythology and science. The mythology and science are the main themes of the series. The phrases and shloks used from Gita and the knowledge of Shubh, application of science in burning the car, are the perfect instances which prove the worth of those two factors in the series. Next comes superior knowledge and the information of the 10th avatar of Vishnu, who would appear when Adharma will be at its peak level, named Kalki. The correct justification is that every person in this world has a monster within him named Kali, and that when it will be at its peak, the 10th avatar of Vishnu will appear named Kalki and destroy Kali and establish a new Yuga named Satya Yuga. Number 3, an incredible acting by an ensemble cast. Arshad Varsi as Dhananjay Rajput and Barun Sopti as Nikhil Nair, who both made their debuts in web series, played the role of forensic experts and investigation of the mysterious killings done by the Asur in the entire season 1, followed up by Vishesh Bansal, the younger version of the killer. Having tremendous knowledge of mythology and science, does a fantastic job. The roles of Sharib Hashmi and Riddhi Dogra as are also described intelligence experts and a right hand to Arshad Varsi aka Dhananjay Rajput. So if you are a fan of any of these actors, do watch Asur. Number 4, and the most important reason, never ending suspense. The first episode of the series itself starts with a lot of suspense, and that who assassinated Shubh's father, whether he drowned or was given poison. Then comes the mystic murders which take place under no trace living events, leaves a powerful impact upon the audience, and that who the actual killer was behind the mask. The killer leaving traces of his killings which are yet not recognized by anyone, and last the 3 faces which were involved in the murders like Kesav, and that who among them was Shubh, have still left the audience perplexed, and what would be the Nikhil Nair's response towards Dhananjay Rajput. Asur, which premiered on Wood Select 2nd March 2020 starring Arshad Varsi as his web debut. Asur is rated 8.5 out of 10 on IMDb, and make sure you watch Asur on Wood Select if you are free right now. You can watch it in episode has only lasting of 35 minutes total of 8 episodes in the season, which makes it quite easy for you to watch. So I hope you guys liked today's video about Asur and reasons to watch it. If not, feel free to comment about it in the comment box. And lastly, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Movies Wiki and press the bell icon to get more interesting videos like this. Thank you.